What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Man, let me tell you guys, I have updates for real. And the Accord is registered. So we're gonna drive it, man. We're gonna drive it. I gotta take it to the alignment shop. You guys are, you know what? Let me not even make a date on when I'm gonna post it. But first things first, I need to go and get an alignment so bad. She is out. She is out. She starts up nice and quiet. Let her warm up. She is a little dirty though, but it'll be alright. Pretty much, the Accord is on the road. I have so much left to do on it, but honestly now I get to enjoy it. Me and my girlfriend get to enjoy it. Man, it's overwhelming, bro. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Like, having the car just sit in the garage for like 3 years, building the car for 3 years, and then finally getting the opportunity to drive it. Yo, it's different, man. Like, y'all have no idea. It's not 100% perfect, I'll be honest. There is flaws in it. Like, the alignment is very bad. I'm trying to chase a screech, and honestly I just think because of the toe is so out, and my brake pedal is soft, and I have a 15 to 2,000 RPM bucking. I think that's a TPS. I just showed up to the alignment place. Check engine light. Whatever. Hopefully this solves my issue, and I need to get gas. It could be worse. They said I got a 30-minute wait, man. That sucks. And she's on the rack. Shout out to a quick release bumper though. Alright guys, right now we're going to the Milford Meet. Got my boy Dollars with me. Eli up front. Finally get to take the car out. Check engine light is on. Vehicle speed sensor. And I gotta take the car back to the alignment. Ain't even align the wheel. What type of job was that? My guys, we about to pull up to the meet right now. Well, there goes the party. That's some clean ass cars. you see, it's nighttime, and I'm about to call it a night, to be honest. I'm just not really happy where the car is at right now as far as this alignment, which is ridiculous. Luckily I have 30 days warranty on the alignment. There's a few things like I keep saying over the video. My check engine light is on because of my speed sensor. My brake pedals is still spongy, but it's honestly, it's road ready. It's not, let's do a couple pulls ready. And I guess that's the part that bothers me the most, to be honest. But oh, and the clutch pedal engage is way too high. Honestly, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to take the car apart, but well, I'll figure it out one way or another. But overall, I'm just really happy I get to drive the car after like building it this whole time. Car sounds good. It feels good.